Hey guys, it's Visa Plays. Today I'm going to bring you a pack opening. Today we have rare gold player packs. So let's see what I get. Then I'm going to open, okay, hold on. Special packs. There we go. Alright, let's see who I get. Skip. Ben Afra, Bonnie. Don't know how to say his name. Alright, well, that pack was basically shit. So I'm just gonna keep the contracts because I need them. And everything else is getting quick sold. Okay, one pack down, a couple more to go. Let's see what we get in this pack. Skip. Seriously not get. Oh, Kaka, okay. Okay. Need fitness cards. Once again, keep the contracts because I'm low on them. I mean, I got some, 81 probably doesn't go for much. 92 pace, 91 pace, but that's pretty much it. Nothing really that can help besides pace. I already have a pace team, so contract, quick sell. Pack 3. Hopefully I get somebody good. Come on. Inform, legend. Come on, let's go. Skip. Kaka. Who the fuck is Kaka? Erickson. What the fuck is this? Oh, Solado. Okay. But I really don't fucking want him. Quick sell. Last pack. Come on, somebody good. Really? Don't need him. You only need the contracts and the fitness. .86 pace, but nothing else. 67 pace, and everything else is shit. All these packs were shit. This was a waste. Come on, EA, step your game up. EA is really fucking up right now. Alright, well, this is my first video for my channel. Hope you guys like it. Tell me what else you want to see. I will be bringing some wagers, and my Race Division 1 series is coming soon. If anybody wants to play me in a wager, I play for coins players. Also here, let me just show you guys my hybrid team really quick. Right here, I got Lavezzi, Ibrahimovic, Lucas, Wellington, Ronaldinho, D'Alessandro, Rodriguez, Dante, Felipe Santana, Mariano, and Neuer. And then this is my bench. Actually getting to get ready to sell Falcao and keep everybody else. Got Thiago Silva on the bench too. And then my reserves got Cruz, Edo, Pedro, And then if I switch to my League One, which also includes Ibra, see I have Lavezzi, Maltuidi, Ibra, Falcao, Martino, Lucas, Mariano, Alex, Thiago Silva, Belemo, and Diego Alves. Well, this is my team, that's my video, and those are the shitty packs I got, so guess I'll just see you guys later. Visa Play is out.